Look at this blend. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. This is definitely mine. What's going on, ladies? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. As you guys know, I cut my hair recently and decided to go on a natural hair journey, but I still wanted to get some clip-ins and just give myself a nice voluminous fresh look. I was gifted these clip-ins by HerGivenHair. These are the Kinky straight clip-ins, and they kind of look like they're blown out look. So I wanted to try to do like a blown out look with these. They're 20 inches, which is really long for me. They honestly don't even look 20 inches. I'll show you guys the full review once I have it all put in. It gave me about 9 clips, and so I have a couple short clips, a couple long ones, like full length ones, and then I even have some of the like invisible hairline ones or the invisible leave out ones. I'm gonna do a separate video showing those ones because I kind of want to just show how good they are. After straightening everything, I wanted to straighten it off of my hair and just kind of flatten it out and just relax the texture a little bit because I recently did a silk press, so my hair is pretty silky. But I think one day I'm gonna actually try those clip-ins without my hair being so straight, like just blown out, and maybe do some wand curls or something like that. If you want to see something like that, and just comment your thoughts in the comment section. Just let me know because I would totally do a look like that. I have an event coming up and I'm trying to decide on what I want to do to my hair, and that's kind of a thought. So we'll revisit that. So here I'm just going to section out my leave out on the sides and the top. I thought about doing the back, but I'm not doing an updo or anything right now. So I'm just going to be worrying about the sides and the top part for now. Normally when I get clip-ins though, I tend to like put it in between my hair. I usually don't worry about tying up or braiding up my hair in the back. But this time around, I decided, you know what, maybe I should braid it just because my hair is of a different texture. And honestly, y'all, it's a lot of clips and it's a lot of hair and it's really hot. So I think it would be best maybe to just put my hair away and then the clip-ins on top. And honestly, that would make for a great low manipulation style because then I don't have to do anything with my hair. I don't have to manipulate it too much. It'll be braided in, tucked away. So this actually makes for a really good, worthy, protective style. So even if you didn't want to straighten your hair or put any heat on, too much heat on your hair, you could actually do that instead, like just braid it down like I am. And the braids don't have to be a lot. I just did 2 chunky braids going towards the back, and that's the blessing of this kinky texture because it gets so thick and full. You won't notice the braids, like you won't even see them in the back. You know what I mean? Like, you know how sometimes when you have like straight hair, you have to make sure that you braid, or not even like straight hair, like silky hair, you have to make sure that you braid it really, really well so that it doesn't leave that chunkiness at the back. This time, I don't have to do that because my hair is kind of already straight, but also the clip-ins are really thick. Just did a crisscross at the nape of my neck at the back. You'll see it when I turn around, but that's pretty much all you needed to do just to keep your hair tucked away and out of the way so that you can get a nice seamless application. So that's it up close. It's a really thick texture and I'm just going to go right in and clip them in. It's pretty easy, honestly. It just snaps in and out. And I start with the smaller clips, as you can see. So that one only had like 3 clips on it. I do have a small head, so it works out for me. And then as I go up or further to the crown of my head, then I'll go in with the larger clips because it kind of gives that nice layer. And one thing that you're going to notice when I do put my clips in, at the side, I don't do it straight across. So I make sure that it's kind of round, like in a U shape, and the clips on the side are going up. You'll see it when I do a little close up. Or even right here, you can kind of see, like I make sure that the clips are kind of going upwards towards the top. And you're gonna see why I do that in a minute. Also, when I put my clip-ins in, I don't go directly towards the end. And this is a trick that I use to make sure that everything looks seamless and blends properly. Like even at the top, just making sure that the clips aren't towards apart completely, but leaving a little tiny bit of space because that's going to make sure that everything blends in seamlessly and that everything just lays flat and you don't have that weird hump that you get even with sew-ins sometimes. But when I comb everything down, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I decided to go with a side part because side parts just look the best on me. I want to try a middle part. Maybe when I do the wand curls, I really want to do wand curls now, but maybe when I do the wand curls, I'll do a middle part. But I love a side part. That always is my thing. And this is what I mean about how seamless it blends in with the sides of your hair. That's the effect of clipping it upwards and not going too close to the sides and too close to your leave out because everything just blends so beautifully. And you have so much more versatility with your hair as well, and the types of styles that you can try when you are strategic with the placement of the clips. Like it literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Like that's all my hair. You can't tell me that this is not my hair. That's my hair. Okay? That's it. But it just works out so beautifully. And I'm going to show you the back. I'm going to show you how full these clips are. It is so full. Look at that. And I only used about 7 clips. So I have a couple left over. It was 9 clips in total, and I used about 7 of them. And this is 7 clips. This is a full head. This is not even a sew-in. This is just clips. Could you imagine? That's why I don't know, I think I prefer clip-ins over sew-in. But this is the hair. This is how long it is on me. And I said this is 20 inches, and I am 5'1", so I'm a pretty short girl. But it doesn't even look like 20 inches. I think they may have given me given me a little bit longer. But here I'm just showing you that I didn't even use the full pack. I still have some left over, and this is everything in my head alone without having any of my hair in between the tracks, and it's just so beautiful. Okay, now for the fun part, I'm gonna start styling the hair. I'm just gonna section it off. My goal is to kind of do like a blowout effect. So I want like a blowout curl because this has like a blowout look to it. Like the texture is more of like a kinky blowout texture. So I wanted to do like an old school 90s blowout type look. I really need to get a thermal brush, y'all, because even though this hot comb, not hot comb, that's not a hot comb. This flat iron was working overtime. Like, seriously, I had to put it on a really high heat for it to work. This is a Revlon ceramic flat iron, so it doesn't really get very hot. I am in the market for a new flat iron because I find that this flat iron just isn't straightening my hair the way I would like it. So I am currently looking at like a Babyliss or something like that, but let me know if you have any recommendations in the comment below of any flat irons. I was even thinking that maybe I should have just used my curling iron to do this, but I wasn't too sure. So we're gonna do the flat iron for today, and maybe another time I'll try it with the curling iron just to see which one looks the best. But overall, I feel like this hair takes heat pretty well, and the curls lasted very, very long because I did this and then a couple I did this, let's say, on the 22nd, and then my birthday was the 23rd, and I ended up going out to dinner, and my hair still had a little bump and curl in it. So it definitely does last long, and I didn't use any products on this hair. There's no heat protectant, no hairspray, nothing on this hair. So it definitely takes curl really well. But yeah, I think I know I keep saying this, but I think I am going to try the wand curls and see how that looks. I'm definitely going to record that and show you guys because I want to see how well this hair curls, like how well it puts up with those tight curls and that tight curl look. Because have y'all seen a blowout wand curl hairstyle? That is so cute to me, and I definitely want to give that a try. But I'm probably going to also get a thermal brush so that I can do a more authentic, nice blowout bump curl look. And it'll also probably relax this texture a little bit and loosen it up and give me a little bit more movement with it, if you know what I mean. But I don't know. I am impressed with how this worked out, and I actually really loved how it takes heat, and what the hair looked like at the end. Like, I'll show you guys everything, but I think this was really good. It did take me a while to curl everything because it was so much hair, but it's well worth it, honestly. I think it turned out really beautiful. I'm just combing it out and I'm going to actually lay my edges down with my wax stick really soon. But look at how beautiful and flowy this hair looks. I don't know, just something about kinky hair that I love the most. It just looks so realistic. It blends so well with our hair, and you don't even have to do too much. I have a bit of a silk press in, but I mean, I feel like if I didn't have a silk press and I just kind of had a blowout, then it would blend in so nicely. Like, look at my edges just really going into the hair, and it really looks like it's my hair. Like, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. It looks so good. Look at the body. Like, I'm just so obsessed with the luster and the body of these clip-ins. Just so much volume. It literally looks like I'm wearing a wig or I have a sew-in. So I'm going to try a couple of looks that I thought looked so beautiful with this hair. I'm only going to do 2 looks for the sake of this video because I don't want it to be too long, but I may come back and do another video with some more looks that you can do with clip-ins if you're looking to have clip-ins as part of like your everyday routine. But this first hairstyle, I'm just going to do just a simple clip in the back, just pinning it all back with a cute black claw clip. And this looks so professional. This is something that you could do for work. You can do if you're going to an interview, for a meeting, something simple, especially in this heat, if you just want it pulled back and it just looks so glamorous and pretty. And you can even tighten up the curls a little bit and make it a little bit fuller. That would look really cute with this. I really like this look. I'm really obsessed with it. This next one kind of brought me back a little bit. I was like, I love a French roll, but I wonder if I could pull off a French roll, but at the top, like a half up French roll. So I just got this claw clip type thing, French roll clip, and just pinned it in. And I'm gonna show you the back so you can see exactly how this looks. I thought this was so pretty, and this would be a great evening look, date night look, something dramatic that you can try. And imagine if you did curls going down the side or the front, that would look so good. But that's it for this video, y'all. Those are the hair styles that I thought about, and these are the clip-ins. All the information will be in the description box below, but make sure you guys check out HerGivenHair. I do have a link that you can use to save some money. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you would ever try these clip-ins. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.